Yes, hello. We are here at the booth from Basler, together with Frank Maas. And Frank Maas will tell us a little bit news about Basler.
Thank you, Reto. My name is Frank Maas. I'm working with the company Basler, doing classical key account management and working with Swiss as local country, together with the company FUJIFILM since several years. So we're happy to invite you today to come with us to our booth, and I like to introduce some latest news we have in place there. So yeah, let's move together. Now I'm happy to introduce our ACE portfolio. Our ACE portfolio, yeah, we say all you need is ACE. So it's like a sugar cube. It's small size but high performance. And what we do here is we use this ACE platform, let's say platform concept, to integrate step by step the latest sensor technologies. Like nowadays the 20 megapixel Sony IMX183 with outstanding image characteristics. So based on this portfolio, we have a very outstanding market position. We use USB as interface, we use GigE as interface, and we are very close to the customers with our lean philosophy, which takes place here in all processes we offer to our customers. And based on that portfolio, we like to introduce now our latest market segment, the medical marketplace.
So, at this part of the booth, we are presenting our brand new MedAce series, which comes along with the DIN ISO 13485 certification and is dedicated for the medical and life science market. We can see here the different feature sets we introduced with the Basler MedAce. As you can see here, we have a special mode for the low light imaging, which is used to get rid of the hot pixels and defect pixels as well as the noise. And then you can see, if you turn it on, the dead pixels or hot pixels are gone, and the noise is as well gone. If you would follow me around, then we can see that there's another mode or feature set, which is called the perfect color, which is in color enhancement mode, and you are able to calibrate the camera. And then you can see here what happens if you turn it on. So you get brilliant colors, can all the small details become visible, and that's what you want to see in that case. Here we have a short comparison between CCD and CMOS sensors. So the CCD ICX285 is the flagship in medical and life science, and the shift that is done in industrial, and which is already over, is in medical not that prominent yet. So we show the noise and a little bit image quality of the CCD, and exactly same sensor but in CMOS technology comes along without any noise. And the last thing we wanted to show you is our brilliant image feature set, which helps you to, here you can see a bright field image of a microscope, and as you can see here, the outlines are not that sharp, the colors are not that crisp, and if you turn it on, you have brilliant image with crisp colors and sharp outlines. That's what the MedAce stands for.
Hey guys, on this year we want to show you our Dart Beacon for MIPI Dev Kit. We have a 5 megapixel on semi sensor and a Snapdragon 820. Our USP is that we use the ISP on the host side instead of the FPGA on the camera side. So yeah, come and join us.